Welcome to this tutorial on Helm Upgrade. In this video, you'll learn how to update your deployed Helm releases in Kubernetes. Helm Upgrade is one of the most important commands for managing applications in production environments. Let's dive in and master the process of upgrading deployed Helm releases. The Helm Upgrade command is used to update an existing release with a new version of a chart or modified configuration values. When you have an application already running in your Kubernetes cluster and you need to deploy a newer version or change its configuration, Helm Upgrade is the command you'll use. It allows you to make changes without completely removing and reinstalling your application. The basic syntax for the Helm Upgrade command is straightforward. You write Helm Upgrade, followed by the release name, then the chart name, and optionally, any flags you want to include. The release name is the identifier for your deployed application, and the chart name specifies which Helm chart you're using to perform the upgrade. Let's look at a simple example. To upgrade a release called my-engine-x using the bitnami /engine-x chart, you would run Helm upgrade my-engine-x bitnami /engine-x. This command upgrades the my-engine-x release and uses the latest version of the chart available from the repository. Helm will automatically apply the changes to your running application. When upgrading releases, you often need to customize configuration values. Helm provides two main ways to do this. First, you can use the double -values flag, or its shorthand -f, to specify a values file containing your configurations. Second, you can use the double -set flag to override specific values directly in the command line. These methods give you flexibility in how you manage your application configurations. Here's an example of upgrading with a values file. The command Helm upgrade my-app./my-chart double -values custom -values.yaml upgrades the my-app release using configurations defined in the custom -values.yaml file. The values file is a YAML file where you define all your custom settings, making it easy to manage complex configurations. Alternatively, you can set individual values using the double -set flag. For example, Helm upgrade my-app./my-chart double -set replicas equals 5 double -set image.tag equals v2.0. This command overrides the replica's value to 5 and sets the image tag to version 2.0. The set flag is useful for quick changes or when you only need to modify a few values. There are several important flags you should know when using Helm Upgrade. The double -install flag will install the release if it doesn't already exist, making your command work for both new and existing releases. The double -wait flag tells Helm to wait until all resources are ready before marking the upgrade as successful. The double -dry-run flag simulates the upgrade without actually applying any changes, allowing you to preview what will happen. To view the history of a release, use the Helm history command followed by the release name. For example, Helm history my-app displays all revisions of the release, including the revision number, status, and chart version used. This is helpful for tracking changes over time and understanding what versions have been deployed. If something goes wrong after an upgrade, you can easily roll back to a previous revision using the Helm Rollback command. For example, Helm Rollback my-app 3 rolls back the my-app release to revision number 3. This reverts your application to its previous configuration and helps you quickly recover from failed upgrades. Rolling back is a critical feature for maintaining application stability in production environments.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.